Hello, and well, this is a bit different. Welcome to my channel. Honestly, I don't know how many people actually watch these channel trailer things, but I figured it might be about time that I do one. Anyway, hello, yes, I go by Yink, and I like robots. Do you like robots? Why don't we enjoy robots together? As you can see, I make reviews of Gunpla. I also review Transformers. I have some of the old Bionicle sets. I've reviewed a couple of those. Just any robots that I think look cool. I try to keep my reviews a bit more casual, laid back. You know, something to sit back and watch. I think my biggest inspiration is probably TJ Omega. Granted, he reviews mostly Transformers, where I have more of a Gundam focus, but of course I'm significantly less funny. But, check out a couple of my reviews, and, you know, subscribe. Apparently you have to hit that bell thing. I still don't know what it does, but apparently it's important. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link in somewhere, anyway. Actually, it's on my main page. Top right. Anyway, I hope to see you again soon, and as always, until next time, happy building.